December 1st is Eat a Red Apple Day. In 1875, this red fruit was found on a farm in a small town in Peru, Iowa. After this gorgeous fruit was exhibited, farmers around the world were attracted by it. An old saying originated in Wales: "An apple a day keeps the doctor away from you." It was just an old proverb in the past, but it was confirmed by the doctor in 2010 that it was actually true. This is a painting well done with all your pastels for this special day. Wish you a great Eat a Red Apple Day. Cheers!